cover your face. It's fine.
I'm not trying to.
Good afternoon. We have something very special we're doing today. What are we doing?
Going to Disneyland.
We're going to Disneyland, kind of.
It's travel day.
This is our travel day. We've got our puppies with us. They are not traveling with us, unfortunately. They're not going to Disneyland. We're going to be dropping them off at their overnight daycare right now. Come along with us. Make sure to subscribe, bell icon, like, and this is our travel day to Disneyland. We are on our way to drop off our dogs at daycare, but I don't know if I've ever introduced you guys to them. I know we've had them slightly featured here on the channel before, but let me just introduce you to our two princesses in the back of the car. This little princess is Callie. Say hi, Callie. Hello. She's kind of nervous. And then her sister is Maya. She's not nervous at all. She's spent some time away from us before, but Callie has not. So that is kind of why we're a little nervous about this situation in general. But we're gonna be okay. And Maya's just tired. She's always tired. Oh, and by the way, it's raining really bad. So if you hear the rain, that's bad day to travel, but it is what it is. Just to let you know, I won't be bringing my camera in when we're dropping them off at daycare. They are already a handful, two crazy puppies as it is. The camera would be just a lot of work, but we'll join back with you guys once we drop them off. The puppies have been dropped off. It was actually not as bad as I expected, at least for me.
I didn't cry. Their room's very nice. They've got a very nice suite.
They might have a nicer room this week than we do. You'll see our hotel room. It's gonna be good.
But they got a flat screen TV and they got 2 beds.
Yeah, so they're gonna be okay. Moving from one stressful thing to another, we have never parked at an airport, period, let alone MCO, which we're not too familiar with. It's gonna be complicated, but I don't know, you guys are coming with us. Once we do get through that, through security, we could relax. We are very, very ahead of time. Like, we've only done travel by ourselves like once before this, or at least on flights and stuff like that. So,
I always allow for an extra like 30 minutes per event, just in case.
Yeah.
So, you know, I allotted like 30 minutes for us to drop the dogs off. It only took 10,
So basically, we're gonna be waiting at the airport for probably 3 hours.
Okay, we'll go to Chili's.
But we'll go do Chili's or something like that. But regardless, we will see you guys once we get to the airport. We made it. How was parking?
It was very easy because they take our Sun Pass to pay for parking.
It was weird.
It played us a little song.
Yeah, we have a little Sun Pass, which I'm going to cover up here so you can't see the code.
It made it very easy.
Yeah.
So now we just gotta put our shades up and go wait for the shuttle.
As we are now waiting for our shuttle, I do want to take this time to show you my new backpack, which I don't think I've shown anybody on a vlog before. So she's going to zoom out and show you. It's a Proton pack from Ghostbusters. Very fun. We're going to Disney, but I brought it, so who cares? Whatever. I'm breaking rules. That's fine. I don't think I've ever entered an airport with a door I have to touch. Like, not an automatic door. We just passed through security. We're about to go on our very first ride.
Is it our first? I don't think
It's our first ride of the trip.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah, we're going on their train thingy. Not the mod. What do you call this?
I don't know.
Because it's
APM? I don't know what that stands for. I already almost lost one of our bags, so.
What happened?
I left it behind going through TSA. I was so focused on getting everything on the belt because I haven't been through security in so long and traveled. Just forgot the bag, and I was like, I went up to a really nice TSA agent, and he's like, "Oh, I'll get it," and I was like, "Thank you." So, all good.
Please come back and visit us again very soon. This is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer, and we hope you enjoyed your Orlando experience.
Weather's looking very suspicious. And I'm hoping we don't get delayed. It's not raining here yet, but if you look at this, it's not pretty. So, yeah, you can see it in the background.
You can even see it flashing in the background.
Oh, gosh.
I'm hoping we'll be okay. If not, we'll get there later than usual or than expected, but it is what it is.
At least we're not trying to do anything tonight.
Yeah. We're boarding the plane. Isabelle cut in front. She cut the line. That wasn't the worst flight ever.
I did not have a good time.
Yeah, I was kind of crammed in there, and I know you were too. But
Mine was more, I got a headache. I get pressure-related headaches, and obviously the pressures changes when you're on a plane, so it was rough.
story time. Last time I was at LAX was about 4 in the morning on a trip home from Hawaii because my family went to Hawaii. That was awesome. But we saw Lindsay Lohan at this airport. That was my first celebrity sighting ever, and it was like really weird. I don't know, but we're also in LA, so cool story, right? Yeah. We just did an Uber. We're at our hotel now. I didn't film because we're new to travel. I've never done a travel vlog before. I didn't know what we should or can film, so yeah.
Also, our Uber ride was a little rough. I swear he did not go below 75 miles per hour for the entire trip. That was the minimum. But we're here.
And I mean, you can't see it too well from there's Space Mountain. Yeah, I'll be able to get a better view once we're in the room with my other lens, but also it's a Mickey Mouse. Very cool. This is our room. We're staying at Fairfield in Anaheim. It's gonna be a lot cheaper. How much are we paying per night for this, if you don't mind?
I don't remember. I think it's like 120.
I think it's like 120 a night for what we're paying to stay here compared to like almost the same quality, just a little bit better at the Disneyland Hotel or the Pixar Pier Hotel for like $600 a night or something ridiculous. So we are within a 4-minute walk from Disneyland, and we're gonna give you guys a full tour of this amazing room. It's cool. It's a place to sleep, but Isabelle's gonna show you around.
This is a pull-out couch.
Woo!
And a bed.
And the bed. Woo! This is a king.
Yes.
You want to talk about the amazing artwork behind you?
Yes. So we had to pay extra for a theme room.
But also, it's facing the parks.
But yeah, it was less about this and more about the facing the parks.
Yeah.
I also think these rooms have been renovated more recently than the other rooms.
I think so too.
And I will say the smoke detector kind of ruins that.
Also, I don't know. It's okay. I think it's cool. That is the Florida Castle. From probably 1995. It's okay.
TV? Oh, we're not gonna get the resort.
Oh, we can't get resort TV, but I have my computer. I could cast it or whatever. The resort TV video. Pretend like we're here. Bathroom. Closet that's like in the bathroom area.
$4 water.
$4 water. That's nice, I guess.
And more bathroom.
More bathroom. Here's toilet and
I was like
shower. Does the door slide?
Yeah.
Slide it. Woo! So cool. Then we do have a more. Oh, that's a safe. Cool. I don't know why it's in a drawer like that. I feel.
Is that
There's a mini fridge as well. Isabelle wants to show you guys something. We have a camera of our little puppers. They're sleeping.
We could actually video chat with them if we want. Like our face will come up, but I don't really want to wake them up.
Yeah, it's very late. It's like 11 here.
It's 11 here. I can't do that math. I don't know what the time.
3 hours earlier. Or later, sorry.
Well, so 2 a.m.
It's 2 a.m. for them, which is the normal time they get breakfast, right?
Yeah. I'm surprised Maya's not upset.
I'll be completely honest, this theme park view room doesn't have the absolute best view, but if you do look, I could show you a clip. I switched my lens real quick. We are very, very close to Space Mountain. It's kind of hidden by trees right now, but the view of Pixar Pier is absolutely great from where we're at, from our window. I thought we would have like a balcony, but it's kind of just like it's a window out to the hallway that's outside, which is totally cool. What'd you get from the vending machine?
Pop-Tarts and cookies. Our options are limited and they don't have breakfast here, so they have Pizza Hut, but not breakfast.
I want to show you something. Look what I did. Well, that was our entire day today. We have a very, very, very busy day tomorrow. It is Isabelle's first trip to Disneyland. Are you excited?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nervous.
She's kind of nervous. I'm kind of nervous because I haven't been here in like 3 years. I'm just nervous that I am not going to be the best guide because I don't have this park memorized like the back of my hand. But we're going to Disneyland first. We're going to be having a very early day. Like I said, it is past 11 now, and we're going to be waking up probably at 7 a.m. because the park opens at 8. So I'm going to be signing off for today. Thank you very, very much for joining us on today's travel vlog. Like I mentioned, we've never done this before. If you liked it, let me know. If you didn't like it, let me know in the comments section down below as well. Make sure to subscribe, bell icon, like this video. Even if you didn't like the vlog that much, it does help a lot with the algorithm. Other than that, that is everything, and we will see you guys real soon.